If your 2022 Sierra Denali 6.2L is stalling under load, it is usually caused by a failing fuel pump power control module. The emergency workaround is to temporarily bypass this module by jumping the fuel pump relay to get you off the road safely. This specific truck might run perfectly fine at idle. The problem hits when you press the gas pedal to merge or climb a hill and the engine falls flat. The 6.2L engine demands high fuel pressure during heavy acceleration. When the control module overheats or drops voltage, the in-tank pump simply starves the high-pressure system. A check engine light usually pops up on the dash with a low fuel pressure code. A diagnostic scan tool will show the commanded fuel pump duty cycle, dropping out exactly when the engine load peaks. The module is struggling to send the correct power to the pump when it is needed the most. To use the emergency workaround, pull over to a safe location and open the hood. Locate the main fuse box on the driver's side. You need to pull the fuel pump relay and insert a fused jumper wire across the power and load terminals. This action forces the fuel pump to run constantly at full capacity. This bypass is strictly a temporary fix to get your truck out of a dangerous traffic situation and into a repair shop. Running the fuel pump on a full override will eventually overheat the wiring harness. The permanent fix requires replacing the fuel pump power control module and inspecting the factory connectors for any melted pins.